Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular products in the world of coffee makers. Before we dive into the comparison, make sure to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Let's get started. Both products are designed to be compatible with Bialetti stovetop coffee and espresso makers, ensuring you can easily replace the gasket and filter without any compatibility issues. The Bialetti replacement gasket and filter are made from white rubber and stainless steel, while the new Venus Induction is made from 18/10 stainless steel, ensuring durability and an unmistakable style. The Bialetti replacement gasket and filter come with one replacement filter and 3 replacement gaskets, providing you with all the necessary components for a seamless replacement. The new Venus Induction does not come with any additional components. Both products are easy to use. Simply fill the Bialetti Venus with ground coffee, close the pot, and place it on the stovetop. As soon as it starts to gurgle, turn the fire off, and your coffee will be ready. The Bialetti Venus is available in various sizes to suit your needs, allowing you to enjoy coffee in different container sizes. Both products require simple rinsing with water for cleaning. It's important not to use any detergent or put them in the dishwasher, as it can damage the product and affect the taste of your coffee. And there you have it. We have compared these two products based on their compatibility, material, included components, usage instructions, and cleaning instructions. Both the Bialetti replacement gasket and filter and the new Venus Induction offer great features for enhancing your coffee brewing experience. Let us know in the comments which product appeals to you the most. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.